Hello, Pádraig here, McNally Motors. Today we'll take a look at our 191 demonstration model Toyota Proace. This is the 2 litre GX model and it's got the low annual road tax, just €333. It'll be sold with a full year's DOE and the van has just been serviced here at McNally Motors. Now we'll take a look at some of the features the van has to offer. It has front fog lights as standard, twin sliding doors on both sides for easier access, rear parking sensors. The interior dimensions are approximately 108 inches long, 62 inches wide and 52 inches high. It has electric windows and mirrors, cruise control, air conditioning, USB port, radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's a 6-speed manual diesel and just over 18,000 kilometers on the clock. And it's finished in a black and grey cloth interior with 3 seats across the front. At McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options for this van and all other cars and vans in our stock. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie to view this van and book a test drive. Thanks very much.